guys, it's Nita Ann here. Welcome back to my channel, Beauty by Nita. And today I'm going to help all of those moms out there start to feel fabulous from feeling frumpy with my Mom Glow Up. So make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss a beat, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Beauty by Nita. This is Nita Ann here, and I'm super excited because I don't know about you, but sometimes as a mom, I just feel frumpy. You know, it's easy to be comfortable in our sweatpants, and I even have my slippers on, but you know what? When we start to want to actually feel fabulous instead of frumpy, it's hard to get out of that frumpy feeling. And so I'm going to show you what I do to get out of that frumpy feeling in just about a couple of minutes. So the first thing is of course I have to have all of my Mary Kay stuff out that I want to put on my face so I can have a quick glow up. So I'm going to show you what I use. I'm going to start with my under eye correcting concealer because as a mom, we can always have the glow up with getting our eyes a little less baggy, right? So I'm doing the under eye correcting concealer underneath my eyes right here. This is amazing. All with Mary Kay products. Mary Kay has the best products for the quick glow up. So you see right away, it got rid of some of the bags underneath my eyes. Okay, and then I'm going to apply some mineral powder. I already had a base of foundation on, but I'm gonna go ahead and apply my mineral powder. So I've got my mineral powder evening out my face, helping me with that glow up feeling. Woo. I actually love our mineral powder, it's amazing. This color that I'm using is Deep Ivory. I need to go get a spray tan though, so I'm more of a beige. And I have this mirror that I'm going to be using. Isn't this so cute? So I highly recommend having a mirror that you can be looking at yourself in. Of course, saying those positive affirmations like, I'm amazing, I'm gorgeous, this makeup looks so good on me. Whatever positive affirmations you want to do for yourself, say those in the mirror because it really does make a difference. On the eyes, I'm going to do one of our palettes. This was a special palette called Warm Hues. It was special for Mary Kay, and I have my little brush holder. So I'm going to take one of these brushes from the brush holder and just do a quick glow up with my eyeshadow. So I'm doing a quick glow up with the Golden Possibilities eyeshadow using, of course, my affirmation mirror. Ooh, that looks good. I like it. Do you guys like it? And then I'm gonna add my Bronze Horizon in the mid-tone. Oh, that looks pretty. So you might be thinking, why am I getting ready? Why am I giving myself a glow up? Well, all I'm doing is going to the grocery store. But this is my opinion, is I don't leave the house without feeling somewhat fabulous because you never know who you're gonna meet. And we wanna just feel good when we leave the house, right? We don't wanna feel frumpy. We wanna feel fabulous. And so all I'm doing is going grocery shopping, but I wanna feel fabulous to go grocery shopping. So now I'm gonna add a little bit of the Purple Vibes as the accent color. So I'm using a different brush for this. This is the smudge brush, so I'm just using it as the accent color right here. Okay, ooh, that looks gorgeous. And now that I did my eyeshadow, I'm going to quickly do an eyeliner. This is our new Mary Kay waterproof eyeliner that's very silky and smooth. This is the brown. Sometimes I do black, but today I'm gonna do brown. I love it. Remember to affirm yourself. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Lash Intensity Mascara, giving the look of a lifetime with my eyelashes. Can you see that? I think you needed to see a little bit more up close, huh? Isn't the eyeshadow pretty? Look how sparkly it is. No filter here. No filter necessary with the Mary Kay products. Love me some Lash Intensity Mascara. And I'm going to end with my new lip liner, hot pink lip liner. Also waterproof. And of course we want to add our burgundy, is that the color? Burgundy Orchid lip stain. It's not really a full stain because with Mary Kay, they don't like the full stain colors because that actually dries your lips out. So it's just a darker lip color that stays on all day. Now I need to go do my hair and add a little bit of highlighter right here on the cheekbones. Highlighter, fabulous. And I'll be right back. I'm gonna show you what I do with my hair and my outfit. So this is the dress that I chose for my glow up today. And it's really cute because it still's got the mom vibe, but it's a little classier than sweatpants and a t-shirt. So, do you wanna see what it looks like on me? Voila! My mom shopping dress has arrived. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put on some cute shoes with this outfit and just do a little tiny bit of hairspray so that it's not just sitting flat on my head. Okay, there we go. So I'm officially done with my mom glow up look. It took me all of 10 minutes. You are worth 10 minutes for you to get looking fabulous for that shopping, because you know what? Even if it's just you who sees yourself in the mirror, did you know the way you see yourself in the mirror actually does affect your thoughts and your self-esteem? So make sure to give yourself a glow up before you go shopping.